Hey y'all, what's up? It's the Untrained Nail Enthusiast here again. So today I'm actually gonna bring you a product review. Hold on, let me get it. So today is Azure gel nail polish. So I had already purchased their gummy gel, what's it called? Jelly polishes. And I was watching Regina Nails Be Fly video, and I see she purchased some of this brand, but I didn't get the, did I get the, I think I got the one she purchased. I'm not, you know what, y'all, I don't remember, because you know, you get on Amazon and you start looking, you get one, you say you're gonna get one thing and you start looking at something else. So that might have been what happened. Yeah, that's right. I didn't get the one she was talking about. I ended up looking around. I was like, yo, I need some basic colors because I have pots, but I don't have like a good gel brush right now. So I'm just going to pop these suckers out. This one is their, I don't know. What? I have to go back in my Amazon cart, you know, look for my orders and find it. I'm telling you, Amazon is a trap, that and AliExpress. So I'm going to start out with this one. Hold on, let me pull it up. All right, so I found it. Y'all forget this phone. It's old. It's been through some things. This is the polish I purchased. Pastels. That's what this one is. And the one over here is, well, you can see exactly what they look like. What do they call it? 6-piece sweet candy neon colors nail art gift box. Okay. You know, there's just be a whole bunch of writing on there. All right, let me. Okay, and I got this one. Pink, purple, glitter colors. Click, this phone old, y'all. Okay, there we go. But we're gonna see them on my little swatch sticks. Alright, so they come with these little stickers you can put gel on so you'll know what color is what, which is great. I'm so glad because I'm going to keep them and use them for other ones. Sorry about the noise. I'm just moving stuff around. Oh, hold on now. Hold on now. All right. So, we're going to see what these look like. Damn, a little hard. All right, so I went ahead and basically color marked all of these so I can know what's up, so I don't confuse myself, because I confuse myself a lot. Alright, so we're just going to start. Going to start with this set, my pastel set, and then I'll let you know what I think. give you a closer look of the bottle. Can you see? Small little buggers. But I will say that they're pretty thick. Some of them. I would suggest doing 2 coats for most of these. Actually, I did 2 coats for all of these. And here's what they look like. Yo, this one, this purple looking one, yo, fire. Straight fire. Look at all these different colors of pink. This one is a glitter. Might need 3 coats. But then again, you know, hope you guys can see it. Let's see. Here are the other ones. Let me turn it this way. There we go. Pretty. And here are the other 2. This is actually like a grayish white. It's not a white, but it's a little darker. But the colors are very pretty. So, for my pastels, 12. No, excuse me, not 12. I can't count. 6. And they do have a tacky layer on top, so you're gonna have to clean it off or stick some top coat on it. Or if you're still playing around, slap some glitter or decals or whatever you want to do on it. So here's my pastels. Which way is better? Probably this way. The yellow, I suggest 2 coats. And there was another one I put 2 coats on. Dang it, I can't remember, but you'll see it in the video. But they're very pretty. Oh my gosh. Why didn't I find these earlier? Urgh. They're gorgeous. And of course, I'm going to put the links, once again, put the links down in the description box. Well, I guess that concludes this Azure, I hope I'm saying it right, gel polish review. I like it. I'm going to buy more. And if you want to, you can too. It's up to you. So, thank you guys for watching. And once again, I'm still the giveaway. 18th is the last day. Yeah, 18th is the last day. And then I will do a video on it. So, post the winner right here on this channel. And I will make sure I put something up on Instagram as well to let you know who the winner is. So, hey, I just want to give a shout out. Thanks for everybody. Thanks to the new subscribers I have. Oh my gosh, it really means a lot. And a lot of the messages I've been getting have been very sweet and thoughtful. And I just, yo, I can't even explain it. I'm just grateful. And, you know, I'm grateful for whatever I get, you know. Because everything can be taken away. And then at that point, you never know just how grateful you should have been. So, just thank you. Thank you all. I feel like I'm rambling once again. But I hope you guys will enjoy my other content that's to come. And thanks for watching. Deuces.